Jaxie here, welcome to another vlog video. Just going back to that camping area because this is Sunday, the day that I went to Splash World. Already been there, went on, not including those tiny slides, I went on 10 slides. Could have went on 12, but we had to go. So, yeah, you want me. Yeah, we're going through the tunnel, so not recorded this whole, but I've recorded it partly on my channel. There might be another. Yeah, there is a.
Oh yeah, you won't get any.
It's so hot. I think we're over the ground. It's quite cold on the ground. Unless we're near the centre of the earth.
All of a sudden it'll go out.
Yeah.
It's about
Down there. Ooh, it's really dark. Oh, this is horrible lighting. How is your phone still connected to the internet? Oh, I can't even see you on my camera anymore, but I can see you. I'm not making aircon now. No cool anymore.
yeah, it's when we hit the bottom there.
Yeah, we're almost at the bottom, like to the very bottom. I'll tell you when we're at the very bottom. Are we going faster than normal? Because we're going downwards. Okay, we're at the very bottom now. We're at the very, very bottom now, and now we're just going upwards. I'll show you. See all those lights? It's going upwards.
It's just picked up connection.
Wow, it is quite dark. Yeah. Can you see that?
Yeah, you just can't get your 4G underground. My 4G.
Oh, I didn't show you the camera. Yeah, we're almost there. I can see the light, it looks so heavenly. Like a pitch black car can't even. A pitch black car had a pitch black cat, and a pitch black tunnel and a pitch black cat. There you go.
We thought beans, so we didn't want it to come out. You know what?
Places
It's not come out. They're loud.